Right, quick video showing you how to easily remove car body paint. As you can see how I'm bare metaling the car. I've been doing this for 2.5 years now, and I haven't found a good product until today. So yeah, in the video I'm going to show you how to bare metal a car. Right, you literally only need two things. You need, number one, a blue sort of foam disc like this. Now this is really useful for the big surface areas like the wings and the main body areas. And you put this on an angle grinder such as this, and it removes it in a matter of seconds, and you can do the whole panel. The next thing you need is a die grinder. So angle grinder with the blue disc, die grinder with one of these end attachments. They're a knotted wire sort of wheel, and they start off very small, similar to that one, but obviously knotted, and obviously with centrifugal force they spin out. But this is fantastic for getting in these small cracks like this. And yeah, with these two tools you can literally get the whole car ground of paint so quickly. But this is the most useful one by far. Without this, instead of having a nice clean line like that, you end up stuck like this, where the angle grinder physically can't get in. So yeah, now I'll just do a quick demonstration showing you how easy it is. Right, so as you can see, got the paint all off in this crevice down here, and on this flat again, all removed. Yeah, I'll save you a load of time. That's literally all you need. As you can see in here, I've managed to get right in here and clean up all of these holes with the knotted wheel on the die grinder, and again up here even through this gap, I've managed to clean all that metal up. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe and like for more tips and tricks.